I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Scratch or locate the 16-character code on the physical gift card. Then open any browser and go to Roblox. .com/redeem to start the process. Sign in to the exact Roblox account where you want the credit to land. Carefully type the code into the redeem box and press redeem. The site will confirm successful redemption and display the dollar value added to your Roblox balance. Keep the physical card until you see the credit appear on your account. Open the Robux purchase page or the premium subscription page on Roblox. Choose the Robux bundle or the premium tier you want to buy. On the checkout screen, choose Pay with Balance to use your gift card money. Confirm the purchase and wait for Robux or premium access to appear instantly. Your account will show remaining dollar credit if the purchase did not use the full amount. You can reuse leftover balance for future Robux or other paid items on Roblox. Remember that most gift cards add USD balance to your account rather than direct Robux. Regional restrictions may require you to convert that balance to Robux using the purchase pages. If a purchase fails, first verify your account country matches the gift card region and check your displayed balance. Clear browser cache or try a different device if the credit does not show. If problems persist, contact Roblox support and provide the 16-character code and purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.